Okay. And today is 16, right? Rolvin, in the very first class, I'm not sure, Acha, you joined late, and maybe I'm not sure whether you revisited that topic or that class. I discussed that there are certain things that I'm not never going to discuss. Okay, maybe never throughout the course. And this object was one of the things because it cannot be explained in the very first class. Though I have given you a brief gist of what are objects, we had discussed one day very briefly, maybe for 2-3 minutes, because you have asked, I am mentioning, but no need to put your brains into that. Uh, we had seen that there are some data types can be of two types, right? You have data types can be of two types. Okay, one is built-in and other is user-defined. Okay, so built-in data types are integer.
The screen sharing.
Oh, I'm not sharing the screen. Just a minute. Yes, we had seen that this data types are of two types, built-in, user-defined. Here also you have some numeric types. Numeric types के अंदर you have. Okay. So what was the problem, Ankit?
Sir, actually, I updated from 2007 to 10.
So no, it was related to time zone
Time
something.
was USA,
हाँ वही मैं बोल रहा था ना कि this I have
Canada.
seen this. हाँ तो इसीलिए दिक्कत हो जाता है. Okay. So now in numeric types you have integer, float, and then complex. Okay. So you can see that there are some built-in types already available like integer, float, complex, strings, etc. ठीक है इस तरह करके there are already there. But there is a mechanism using which you can create your own types. Okay. But for creating your own types, first you will have to create the template or the nature of those types. So the template that you create for your types, what will be the feature of your types, or what type of values will be stored when it is stored according to your type that you have created. So first you will have to define the features or what nature. Okay, so first for that, you will define the template of your type. Okay. So this template of your type is known as or blueprint jo that will be known as class. Mute kar lo yaar. Somebody's microphone is on mute. Okay. And when you have created the template and the sort of blueprint or the idea of what will be the type of your data type, which is known as class, this blueprint, the actual value which according to these features or the templates that you will be putting will be the objects, okay, of your type. Okay. So here we can say integer is the class blueprint. When you say integer, some definition comes to your mind. And when according to that definition, if you put some value, like for example, 1, 2, -1. So these are the objects of integer type. Okay. So the final values that reside in the memory is the object and the characteristic or the idea of that thing. Okay, जिस क्लास में वो फॉल करता है, the class within which it falls is known as class. ठीक है. तो इसीलिए when you will be creating your variables, first you will define कि what will be the nature of the values that memory will be storing of your type. So you're creating your own data type, right? So इसीलिए that template or the blueprint that you will be defining, just like integer, you will be creating your own type. Let's say students. ठीक है, तो स्टूडेंट्स का डेटा टाइप में किस टाइप के वैल्यूज होंगे, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ वैल्यूज इट विल होल्ड. तो दैट ब्लूप्रिंट इज नोन एज क्लास. स्टूडेंट विल बी क्लास, and as per the student, when you put some name of the student, actual name of the student along with class and section or something, those together which will be acting as one in will be stored in one memory location, will be your objects as per that class, or blueprints according whatever values you put, that are the objects. If you have understood, excellent. If you have not understood, even better. ठीक है, तो इसीलिए
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I just joined, so could you please tell it in brief about what it is?
Yeah, that was the blessing in disguise for you. Ignore it totally. ठीक है, तो
ठीक है
इसीलिए उसको छोड़ दो. और Rolvin कुछ पूछा, he asked something. ठीक है, you are lucky that you joined late for this part. So I'll rub it. So Rolvin, were you able to get any gist? What are objects and what are classes?
Not really, sir, because I just joined.
Kevin, Rolvin से I'm asking. Rolvin, you're there? Question पूछ के चला गया कहीं? Okay. Ullas, what you have shared?
Sir, link for the W3 schools.
No, W3 schools, I will share the link, don't worry. You have sent a general link. No need to go through everything.
Yes.
We have learned much more than that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rolvin is not here.
I'm here, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you. So were you able to make any sense out of
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir.
ठीक है, नहीं भी आया तो even if you did not get anything, then that is absolutely fine, because you're not expected to understand right now. Okay. So just keep in mind कि the nature of the variable जो define करता है characteristic, that is known as, जैसे integer is the class, and as according to the features of the integer, the actual value that resides in the memory location will be the object of the integer class. इसी तरह when you define a class data type known as Rolvin, the values that will be as per the characteristics of the Rolvin or the blueprint Rolvin, take care, those values of your own type that will reside actually in the memory will be known as the objects. Okay. देखते हैं, if we have spare time in 12, then I'll try to help you with that as well. Okay. ठीक है. So what I intended to discuss today is two very small things. One is the concept of NaN and INF. ठीक है. What are these things? Aditya, yes, for the methods and functions that we will be discussing, ठीक है, उसके लिए you can use the modules, but in program when it comes to try to avoid using the modules. Okay, so yes, you are free to use, but let me discuss them first. Okay, so NaN stands for not a number. Okay, and INF stands for that you say na infinity. Okay, वो क्या symbol बनाते हो? Sort of वो वाला है. तो actually it is possible to store these two values also. They fall under, they are two special values that can be assigned to variables in Python. That means it is possible to assign a is equals to infinity. Now don't think that कि infinity is such a value कि वो पूरा RAM ही fill कर देगा तुम्हारा. and RAM will burst and computer will hang. It's nothing like that. Just it's a symbolic gesture of infinity, INF. Okay, it will also reside in one memory location only, but computer will treat it as something like very, very big. But it's a symbolic gesture of something very, very big. Variables in Python. Okay. First, let us discuss about NaN. Not a number, and yes, one more important thing. They fall under float type. Float data type. Or float type literal. ठीक है? So, Ankit आएंगे, that is membership operator. We will discuss that. I've said na ki some bitwise operator and membership operators are left. We will discuss that. कर लेंगे, चलो आज ही कर लेंगे. Because you have asked, I'll let you know. Okay. They fall under float type. अब ये देखो क्या है. NaN का meaning. So there are some calculations which when you perform in mathematics, it is nothing like, it is not that you will get zero or some error. मतलब कि the thing is that those results are simply not defined. For example, if I ask you, NaN will be used when mathematical results cannot be expressed. No, zero division is sort of बोल सकते हैं. When that is an error, zero division error है, इसमें error नहीं आएगा. I will show you. Wait. When mathematical computations cannot be expressed or can't be expressed as numbers, as a definite value, as a definite numeric literal. Numeric literal means float, complex, int, कुछ भी type में represent नहीं कर सकते हो. But we cannot say it is zero or error. ठीक है? Numeric literal. Remember, it is not error case or zero. You don't mix it with error case or zero. It is neither. For example, I'll give you certain examples. ये बताओ क्या होगा? If you write, if I tell you, let me know what is the value of infinity by infinity. Infinity by infinity का क्या होता है? Is it zero, something, infinity?
So the value won't be defined.
Huh?
The value would not be defined.
Not defined.
Infinity.
Okay. हाँ, नहीं, infinity नहीं है ये. It is not defined. ठीक है? You cannot express it. ठीक है? देखो, why it is not defined, मतलब अब ये mathematics में चले जाओगे फिर. ठीक है? But for the sake of understanding, we know that this cannot be expressed as any value, not even as infinity. Okay. So in that case, it is something, but what is it? It cannot be expressed. Okay. So though it falls under a numeric type, कुछ number ही है ये, but this number cannot be expressed, the result concretely. So we will say that this is not a number. ठीक है? Similarly, infinity plus infinity, और ये और कॉमा लिख देता हूं, infinity minus infinity. ठीक है? एनी कॉम्बिनेशन, प्लस इंफिनिटी माइनस इंफिनिटी प्लस इंफिनिटी, कुछ भी लिखोगे तो दे आर समथिंग लाइक दैट. देन यू कैन हैव 0 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय इंफिनिटी और infinity into 0.
Sir, but zero and anything is zero, sir.
हाँ? नहीं
Zero and anything is zero.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं होता. Here in this, ये अपने मैथ्स टीचर से डिस्कस करना. Okay. Now, for example, even computer will not give you answer of this. SQRT, square root of x, मतलब generally, चलो ये छोड़ देते हैं, so you can get it as an answer. और भी हो सकता है, बहुत सारे केसेस अभी मेरे माइंड में नहीं आ रहे हैं, दिमाग में नहीं आ रहे हैं. So such cases you can see. Now the question is, how do we इसके लिए हम लोगों को देखना पड़ेगा do we assign infinity to a variable. Okay, answer is there are two ways. इसके दो तरीके होते हैं, two ways. First is using math module. वो math.pow पढ़े था ना, उसमें उसी में होता है ये math module. Okay, so उसके लिए what you will write?
Sir, it will be capital I, small nf, or all are small, infinity.
Wait, I'll let you know. You will write import math, and then you can write, let's say in variable identified by a, you want to store infinity. So you will write a is equals to math.inf. That's it. It's not a function or a method. तो ये parenthesis नहीं आएगा. It's simply a value defined in math. तो उसमें inf लिख दोगे. ठीक है? I'll show you. Import.
Sir, but math.inf is a function, right?
No, it's not a function. I have
Like
not put parenthesis. I have not put parenthesis inside it, after it. You remember in the very first class, we discussed something like
Yes,
if
sir.
you have parenthesis after any word, then only it qualifies as a function or a method, right? So it's sort of a way to define, which is defined in the math module. We will learn what is math module. उसके अंदर ये there is a definition of built-in definition of infinity type of literal. So when you suggest to that, it will assign that infinity. Now, if I write print a, we'll see inf, and then if you write print a, what it will give? Float. Because I have said कि ये दोनों they fall under float data type, right? Now we know that. अच्छा, tell me what will be the answer of this?
Nine.
None.
देख रहे हो, right? तो इसी तरह का तुम ट्राई कर सकते हो. If you directly want to assign a nan to a variable, ठीक है, तो then you can use similarly like b is equals to math dot nan. ठीक है, maths में ही both inf and nan are defined. So if you write b equals to math dot nan, it will again be type of b will be float, and if you directly print b, it will be nan. So this way you can assign values to infinity and nan to variables. ठीक है?
Sir, here b by b, what will be the value?
Answer of b by b.
Yes, sir, b by b.
Can you express it as a concrete value?
No, sir.
वो फिर not a number हो जाएगा. That will again be not a number. Okay. So how do we assign inf and how do we assign inf nan to a variable. Similarly, you can write b is equals to math dot nan. Okay. Second way is
So these we can use this like to avoid runtime errors.
how?
Like so sometimes
Like,
dividing by zero is not
see, if you have
possible.
just a minute, if you have developed the notion that ki runtime errors are always caused due to mathematical expressions not being determinate, then your concept is somewhat incorrect. ठीक है? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. There are many
Like some
scenarios.
runtime errors, like
Uh,
especially when we divide by zero, we get infinity. That infinity value you can store in this variable, and it can
it
display
won't.
a is equal to
See,
inf.
when can you store infinity? जैसे 0 by 0 infinity नहीं होता है. As far as my knowledge goes, it's also indeterminate. Okay, but they have designed in such a way that it won't calculate at all. अरे calculate करेगा तब ना you can store it as an INF or NAN. The moment it sees 0 by 0, it complains. I will not do it. वो error throw कर देता है before it can be calculated and assigned to a variable. Okay, देखो, if you remember, अगर तुम ऐसे भी देते हो a is equals to 0 by 0, first we know कि this right side of the equal to will be evaluated first. The moment it tries to evaluate this, it throws an error zero division error. ठीक है, ये solve होता then it could have assigned either INF or NAN. But before binding process step only it gives zero division error. तो वो possible नहीं है. Okay, because the person who has again defined it is defined that in such a way कि वैसे ही होता है. Again, work on your time machine, go back, suggest the person कि 0 by 0 should be INF or NAN, whatever. ठीक है. Yes, so did you get your answer, Elam?
Yes, sir, got it. Because it cannot be calculated only, then how can we arrive to an next step?
Right. Yeah, exactly. When the moment it sees the expression 0 by 0, it throws an error. So पहले expression ही solve नहीं हुआ, expression could not be solved, so there is no question of later assignment as INF or NAN. Okay. And yes, another, I'll repeat again कि errors are not always thrown because of mathematical problems or something. There are many scenarios where errors can occur. So don't develop a notion that only mathematics related error are thrown in computers. No, type error is not a mathematics error, right? Type error आता है ना? Okay. और भी देखेंगे, file handling में देखेंगे तो you will see file not found error, वो सब भी आएगा. Okay. Right. So what is the second way of assigning? Second way of assigning is like this. A is equals to, you remember this using float method? If you write 2.3, this it will be converted into float value. String eligible for conversion into float can be put inside float as an argument, and then it can be stored as a float type. Similarly, if you want to convert NaN, to write NaN, or here case won't matter. Capital NaN ये भी काम कर जाएगा. ठीक है? Similarly. Okay, similar for infinity. Float, INF, or float. In this case, case will matter. Math वाले approach में. In this case won't matter. Float, INF. Okay. So this is case indifferent approach. This is case dependent approach. Okay. Let us see.
Sir, can you explain a second method again?
दिखा रहे हैं, वही दिखा रहे हैं. Okay. Let's say you write x is equals to, in x without using math module if you want to define, then there is a way in float. अगर ये लिखते हो 5.6 तो what will happen? Is this string eligible to be converted into float value? बताओ हाँ या ना, yes or no? Yes, anyone? Can we convert this into float? Will it successfully execute?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So similarly, if you want to convert store an infinity value, तो उसमें you write float INF. This is also acceptable. Or you can write something like this. I में ही लिख देते हैं दोबारा. Capital INF is also okay. Okay. So in the second approach, case doesn't matter, but math वाले में make sure कि you are writing in lower cases only. Similarly, NaN can also be stored. Okay. Capital कर दो and no problem. Okay. And now if you see print Z, NaN, print type Z. Okay. So similarly, you can check for infinity. Now, let me know if you have understood the concept here or not of both. Very small concept, though you won't use it, but you should know. That's why I said. I think syllabus nowhere mentions, but I thought कि programming में आगे कभी you can come across these. So therefore I have mentioned. So let me know this two small concepts of NaN, and that is not a number, and the INF for representing infinity is clear or not.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Right. We have dot complex for क्या बोल रहे हो dot complex? I didn't understand.
Square for square root of negative.
Square root of negative. अच्छा, let us check. Math dot sqrt -5. नहीं यहाँ पे error दे रहा है ये.
Square for complex function.
Huh?
Complex function.
Dot complex function, I don't know what is it. Aditya will share with us today. देखो जितना जो सिलेबस में है पहले उसको कवर कर लो. आफ्टर दैट एंड आफ्टर स्टडिंग अदर सब्जेक्ट्स, इफ यू हैव टाइम, यू आर फ्री टू एक्सप्लोर. फिर दिन रात एक्सप्लोर करो, कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है पहले. एंड इवन आई डोंट नो, मुझे भी सब नहीं पता है. देयर आर थाउजेंड्स, मे बी थाउजेंड्स एंड टेंस ऑफ थाउजेंड्स ऑफ फंक्शंस एंड मेथड्स. नोबडी कैन रिमेंबर ऑल. ओके, बट द कॉमन वंस यू शुड नो. ठीक है. नैनिका समझ में आया? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? She has not joined today.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. बीच में सो नहीं जाते हो ना तुम लोग? Because you all keep quiet for long, so I don't understand. Ruchika is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. बोलते रहना समझ में आया तो. In fact, once we complete the syllabus now, we will try to have ideas from each one of you कि क्या क्या कर सकते हैं next इसके लिए, projects वगैरह के लिए, even for future what you can explore, what are the different possibilities within computer sciences. Okay, on PTM day I was speaking to Nanika. She has some wonderful ideas. She is pursuing it. So I believe कि she'll help us and enlighten us also in some similar discussion once we are done with the syllabus. Okay. Right. And I was, चलो उसको बाद में देखते हैं, पहले complete कर लेते हैं. Right. So this is all about NaN and infinity. Now we will go to string methods in Python. देखो, they are called as methods क्योंकि वो dot के बाद आता है. But similarly, if the dot is not there, then you will call the same thing as functions. But in your question paper, many times books and even in the competitive exams, if you see instead of methods, functions, ठीक है, though technically the correct form is methods, but if you see functions instead of methods, ठीक है, अब वहां पे क्वेश्चन में ये मत लिख देना कि the question itself is incorrect or examiner needs clarification, वो सब नहीं लिखना है. Okay, treat it as methods only. Even if the question paper or the book mentions string functions also, because at times they tend to mix up with methods and functions. Okay, right. तो अब उसके लिए सबसे पहले हम लोग syllabus देखेंगे. Our primary objective is to complete what is there in the syllabus, those methods जो mention किया है, whatever is mentioned, that you should remember. ठीक है, that you should by heart it. ठीक है, इसमें कुछ समझना नहीं है. You should understand the behavior and you should be familiar with the behavior. Okay. After this, you are free to explore, and if the time permits from other subjects, you are free to become encyclopedia. ठीक है, though I would advise against it. ठीक है, so we'll start. I will not write my own programs, though we are len को तो लेंगे नहीं हम लोग. Len में तो we have seen already. In strings, what does len do? It returns the number of characters in the strings. ठीक है, so we have seen this already. For others, what I will do is I'll share this link. ठीक है, tutorials point का ही है. Okay, I'll share it in the chat.
Sir, can you like upload this screen in the digital boards?
What here? This link?
This link or this screenshot, especially the methods, sir, the different types and their function.
I'm not able to. अच्छा चलो. नहीं देखो, इसमें कुछ करना नहीं है. Open Google पे अभी भी if you are using your computer, you can open a window and then you can go and simply type in Google that string methods in Python. So you will get very first or the second link to इसका W3 schools का आ जाएगा. ठीक है, it's not something. I'll write refer to W3 schools web page. It's nothing.
The first link. Sir.
फर्स्ट ही लिंक आ रहा है ना, वही मैं बोल रहा था. तो that same link I have opened. देखो अब इसमें what I am saying is W3 schools मैंने लिख दिया क्योंकि because it is the first link that you are getting. You are free to explore tutorials point, tutorials tonight, बहुत सारा है इस तरह का, Java point. ठीक है, तो whatever, but this is simple. पहला मिल रहा है, सब कुछ है इसमें, everything you will get. But you will see that what should be your primary focus. Your primary focus should be on from that list, this one जो पहले दिया हुआ है, you master these, ignore others. हाँ, if you are very interested, if you have a lot of time, then only you are free to explore others. ठीक है, so हम लोग उसी तरह शुरू करेंगे. First one is capitalize. We will see, is capitalize in our syllabus? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
We will check it. So yeah, इस पे क्लिक करोगे, उसका डेफिनेशन और एग्जाम्पल के साथ आ जाएगा. इट विल कम विद डेफिनेशन एंड एग्जाम्पल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, लेट्स से दिस इज अ स्ट्रिंग and this is stored in a variable identified by text. Now what in this example they are doing is they are converting this variable. It's a method, so it will come before dot, the variable name or the string itself. Okay, so txt dot capitalize, and that result, whatever this thing returns or throws back after processing, is saved in another variable labeled as x. So what this thing will return after processing? It will result, कल हमने देखा था briefly. What it does is first letter of the string becomes capital. So if you want to see the execution, click on try it yourself. A new window will appear और उसमें देखोगे उसका sort of interpreter और compiler दोनों ये editor दोनों it will open side by side. So इसमें if you change your also okay hi hello को hi कर दोगे and then you will run again. So it will the output will adjust automatically. ठीक है तो इस तरह करके चेक कर सकते हो. So what it does is uppercase the first letter in this sentence. ठीक है उसका definition नीचे दिया है. The capitalized method देखो यहाँ पे they are using correctly. It's written method. Method returns a string where the first character is uppercase. So it after processing it throws back and gives back to you. This original won't be changed. See, txt won't be changed, but it will throw something which if you want to store, you store, or which if you want, you display directly inside print. Okay, this txt won't be changed, but it will generate a new one which will be thrown to you. So you can directly put it inside print, or you can save it first in a variable and then print. It's up to you. Okay, so पहला लेटर को ये क्या कर देगा? First character in uppercase. Okay, it does not accept any argument inside. यहाँ पे capitalize के अंदर में कुछ नहीं रहता है, तो it's similarly mentioning parameters. Rather, argument is more correct. ठीक है? Now, what happens if the first string first is a numeric thing? ठीक है? अगर digit है, if the first character of the string, so what will happen? देखो, nothing. It will remain same. Okay. Is it clear the behavior of capitalize? कुछ था नहीं? Okay. Right. So I'll close this. Then I'll go back and we'll see. देखो case fold is not there, center is not there, count is there. Count कहीं ना कहीं मैंने देखा था if I remember correctly. See, count is there. So we will check count. Count क्या करेगा? Count में definition देखो यार. The count method returns the number of times a specified value appears in the string. तो यहाँ देखो, I love apples. Apples are my apple. यहाँ पे apples होना चाहिए. चलो, apples are my favorite fruit. Now in this txt, that is in this string, count how many times apple appears. So it will count 1 time, 2 time. Okay. Let us check. 2 times, Sarah. What if?
Sir. So, but once it is apples and the other time it is apples. So, does that matter?
No. It will count this apple here once and apple here once. It does not matter ki whether after it is something. It's just like substring. If that part, any part also matches na in a whole, so it will count it as one occurrence. So apples contains apple, right? Apples के अंदर में भी तो apple है, देखो, small part. S, if you neglect S, apple is there. So this continuous running sequence, how many times it appears, that it shows. Okay. Let's say if you want to see.
If you write P. If you want to count txt dot count P, only P.
बताओ क्या करेगा? It will count how many times P appears in the string.
Four times, sir.
देखो. So you are equally intelligent as my computer.
Sir. Sir, but if we write text dot count string apples, then it will only come once, right, sir?
Yes. देख लो अपने कंप्यूटर पे करो, it will be faster. Yeah. ठीक है. What if the character is not there at all? The value to be found. Z. क्या होगा?
0.
देख लेते हो. Okay.
Sir. Sir, in favorite, can you add pple after A and run the program again?
अच्छा. Answer will come 3.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is what it does. तुम्हारा count करता है number of times. Now you can also
Sir,
specify.
even comma, sir.
हाँ even comma. String के अंदर में comma होगा तो why not? Why not? Comma क्यों नहीं देगा वो? How many times comma is appearing?
1.
1. कहीं भी बीच में डाल दो. 5. Okay. 4 here and 1 here. Now there is one more thing. क्या है वो? देखो. Just a minute. So what is here is you can also optionally specify start and end positions. That means इसको test करो. If you say apple, so it will start looking for this apple occurrence of apple. Okay, but it will show you. It will start counting from 10th index. Okay, so which is 10th index? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
From
So,
0, sir.
from acha 0. So this will be L, I think, till here. Okay, so whatever I have shaded, 0 is I, capital I, and L in apples, first apples.
Sir, till P.
P. Acha chalo, jo bhi hai. So it is still here. So it will start for searching. It will consider only from here till whatever is the 24th. I don't know what is 24th here. Okay. So जो भी होगा मान लो यहाँ तक 24th. So in this shaded portion, how many times apple appears?
1.
1.
So you can check whether that is 24th is including or excluding. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. नहीं L ही 10 था. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. I think this space is 24. Okay. So यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा करते हैं कि something चलो वो चेक कर लेना. आई थिंक दिस 24 इज एक्सक्लूडिंग. वो फिर काउंट करने लगूंगा मैं तो बहुत लंबा चला जाएगा वो. ठीक है. बट व्हाट आई बिलीव इज स्टार्टिंग इज दिस एंड एंड पोजीशन इज एक्सक्लूडिंग. ओके. सो एंड में लिखा होगा यहाँ ऑप्शनल एंड इंटीजर द पोजीशन टू द एंड ऑफ द सर्च डिफॉल्ट इज द एंड ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग. नाउ ये सर्च कर लेना कि दिस एंड वैल्यू जस्ट लाइक रेंज इज इंक्लूडिंग और एक्सक्लूडिंग. ओके. पर इतना डिटेल में कोई नहीं पूछेगा. जस्ट टू ऑब्जर्व द बिहेवियर. How many times it counts the occurrence of a string of a value within a given string. You can also optionally provide start and end position for the search criteria of finding the occurrence. Okay. Now next let us see. Count के बाद encode हमारे syllabus में नहीं है. Ends with नहीं है. Ends expand tabs नहीं है. Find, let us see. Find is there. Okay. So what does find do? Search. इसको फिर click करो. Just a minute. Let me open it in a new tab. We have done this. We have done this. Okay. Now, definition देखो इसका. The find methods finds the occurrence of the specified value. Okay. अब यहाँ पे देखो इसमें क्या करता है. यहां देखो where find the position of occurrence. ठीक है. उसमें क्या था? number of times it occurs. Find tells you कि at which index position it starts occurring. For example, welcome, hello, welcome to my world इसमें can you tell me at which position this welcome starts appearing occurring?
7, sir, I think.
Index position बताना, not the character position.
7, sir.
7.
Index.
Okay, let us try it out. Fine. Okay. What if I give something which does not occur? देखो क्या देगा, -1. मतलब क्या? If you are getting an answer as -1 after applying find, that means you did not find anything as per your thing. That means that whatever value you have given is nowhere present as a substring in sequence in the given string. ठीक है? तो वही नीचे बोल रहा होगा. Returns -1 if the value is not found. Okay. Optionally you can also specify start and end. Start end में वही करेगा कि वहां से start करोगे और वहां से end करोगे, उस बीच में where it will find. Where to search, start the search, default is 0, and optional where to end the search, default is this. ठीक है, इसमें देख सकते हो. E इसमें कितना है, 1 पे है. Let's say if I give start 5, मान लो मैंने 3 दे दिया, 3, and end I did not specify, so it will go to the end. Eight, देखोगे 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when you start from third position, third index, and go till the end, E comes next at which index position? 8th. Okay. So this way you can specify. Okay.
So I didn't understand the previous one.
Previous one means you have to start, your search criteria will be 0, 1, 2. It will search only in this shaded part. Because you have said ki start searching for E or find E starting from second L of hello till the end of the string. So if you start in the shaded portion, very first time where it occurs E, it says it looks for the first occurrence, not later on. Okay, the first occurrence, where do you come across the first occurrence? If you start searching from third index position.
So after W in welcome.
E in welcome. So that will be 8th position in welcome, right? So that's what it is telling you. If you start searching for third, you the very first time you will stumble across E. Next is at the 8th index. Okay.
Okay, so understood.
You can even.
Sir, here 3 is what? 3 is the starting index.
3 is the starting index. You can also give ending index something like 10. ठीक है, फिर भी वही 8 ही आएगा. Let's say if I give here 3 के जगह में I give 9 because 8th is the start. वहां से इसके बाद कब आता है? 9 to, let's say I give 15. So this is 8. So this will be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So in this shaded region, 9 to 15, does E comes? Do you see E? And if you start from this 9th position, at which,
13th position.
देखो, clear? ठीक है? And if it is not found, then -1 will be the answer. वो भी हम लोग देख चुके हैं. Fine. तो चलो fine. ये this is.
What if we put E and do not put any end value or starting value?
Oh, that was the very first example. So it will start from 0. देखो ना, by default start is, if you do not mention the start, it has written here, it has been mentioned here, na? Default is 0. If you do not mention the start, so default is 0 and end is the end of the string. So it will start from the beginning.
Okay, sir.
And answer will come as 1. अगर E लिखोगे सिर्फ तो. Okay. So this was fine.
But E comes in other indexes too.
Huh?
E comes in other indexes.
Sir, so what? देखो यहाँ पे it says first occurrence when you start from the beginning. It is only concerned about the first occurrence, not the subsequent ones. So if you start from the very beginning, which place will you stumble across E first? Ankit, did you understand?
First one, yes sir, understood.
Okay, so it looks for the first occurrence. So first occurrence जहाँ होगा वहाँ रुक जाएगा. It will stop at that position and will tell you the index position of that. Okay. Right. Find के बाद कौन सा है next? Format नहीं है हमारे syllabus में. This is not there. Index. देखो, index is same, though it is not in the syllabus, but I'll cover because it is same as what? Find. But the only difference is in find, when the string is not found, it returns -1. And in case of index, if that value is not found within the string, where you are checking the occurrence, it will throw you an error. ठीक है, exception आ जाएगा, error आ जाता है. देखो, rest everything is same. Let's say मैं इसको EZ कर देता हूँ. EZ का sequence is nowhere found here. उसमें -1 आता था, but here you should get an error. Substring not found, value error. That is the only difference. Now, why they have created the two things for the same thing? Answer is same again.
Time machine.
हाँ, टाइम मशीन बनाओ और जाओ और पीछे उसको बोलो यार कि एक ही से काम चल जाएगा. One is sufficient. ठीक है? Okay. Right. Now, index भी हम लोग देखें, alnum है. It returns alphanumeric. If it is alphanumeric, then it will return true. That means if string is alphanumeric sequence, then it will return true value. इसको देख लो. This is it pure alphanumeric? Only alphabets and digits are there. What happened, Aditya? In Teams, what?
So the Ankit.
Acha, sir, what is the most recent call last? Acha, that we will understand when जब हम लोग functions पढ़ेंगे. Most recent call. ठीक है. Okay, is alnum. Alnum क्या है इसमें? Alphanumeric. तो ये बताओ, ये देखोगे कि क्या ये alphanumeric है? Yes, it is purely alphanumeric. If I write at the end, what it will return? देख लेते हैं. False. ठीक है. Anything other than even blank space will result in false. It should be purely alphabet and digits. Okay. Method returns true if all the characters are alphanumeric method. Alphanumeric meaning alphabet letter A to Z and numbers 0 to 9. Other characters which are not alphanumeric are space. Any other thing other than these things. कुछ भी आ जाएगा तो it will result in false. ठीक है? Is this what should this return, true or false?
False.
Because after company you have one blank space.
Blank space.
So this is same thing, alphanumeric alnum method. Now what is there next? Is alpha. Is alpha means only A to Z, nothing else. ठीक है? Tell me, is it pure alphabet? Lower and upper case doesn't matter, but nothing should be other than this. Even digits won't be accepted.
True, sir.
But if you write 9 here, then it will become
False.
False. Only pure alphabet should be there. Okay. Now, is alnum, is alpha, is decimal true? If is decimal है हमारे सिलेबस में, देखो इंडेक्स हमने देखा है, अच्छा इंडेक्स भी था, सॉरी। तो इन डिफरेंस बिटवीन फाइंड एंड इंडेक्स क्या था? फाइंड रिटर्न्स -1 and when string is not found, index will return
1.
error show कर। alnum देख लिए हैं, उसके बाद is alpha देखा हमने, ओके। और क्या है? is digit नहीं, decimal नहीं है, तो we won't use our brain. is digit, it is there in our syllabus, we'll see that. What is it? is digit. Is digit method returns true if all characters are digits, otherwise false. Okay, so it's self-explanatory, इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ देखना नहीं है. This is true, but if you write anything a or @ or space anything, that
False.
is false. Okay. Now उसके बाद is digit के बाद is lower.
Sir,
You
can you
have
go
your-
to the description once again? Sir, exponents like square are also considered to be a digit.
हाँ, देखो कहीं दिया होगा। एनी अदर नंबर सिस्टम में भी कुछ लिखोगे ना, तो दैट इज ऑल्सो तुम्हारा मे बी, देखो क्योंकि जो अगर तुम ये /u इफ यू राइट, दैट मीन्स यूनिकोड नंबर सिस्टम, और यूनिकोड का कोड ले लेगा, उसका जो कैरेक्टर होगा। सो इफ यू राइट यूनिकोड वैल्यू ऑफ
Escape sequence.
escape, this /u escape sequence suggests that whatever comes next is to be treated as a Unicode code. तो जो 0030 is hexadecimal code है, इसको डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करोगे तो आई एम प्रीटी श्योर दिस विल कम एज 49, which is for 0. देखो decimal of /0, oh sorry, /u 0040, क्या था? 30 था ना? डेसिमल मेथड नहीं था, क्या था वो? जस्ट अ मिनट, सॉरी, व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग दिस, इट वाज एन, क्या हो गया? इसको इंटीजर में कन्वर्ट किया तुमने तो क्या है? इट गेव यू 0. व्हाई? बिकॉज दिस वाज द ASCII वैल्यू ऑफ और यूनिकोड वैल्यू ऑफ 0. इसको कन्वर्ट किया डेसिमल में 0030, तो यू गॉट एज दिस इज इक्विवेलेंट टू यूनिकोड वैल्यू in the Unicode chart 49, ये हेक्साडेसिमल में, and that 49 corresponds to 0. ठीक है, तो 0 is, अब उस पे is digit लगाओगे तो this you are, ये तो फिर हुआ कि तुम वो हाथ को पीछे से घुमा के नाक पकड़ रहे हो, you are holding your nose from round your neck. ठीक है, तो of course you are expressing digits only in different ways, so वो भी true देगा. Even the exponents, exponent का जो ASCII value होगा, V2 is the ASCII, that this Unicode value, not ASCII. Unicode value पे V2 पे देखोगे some chart, it will be power 2. तो power 2 is also a digit, so of course it will also qualify as true. ठीक है, इतना डिटेल में नहीं पूछेगा. That's what I am saying. I am just giving the gist. You can go and explore here. I have explained you कि what this is nothing but Unicode representation of 2 in the powers, and this is Unicode representation of in hexadecimals for 0. Okay, ये क्लियर है कि इस डिजिट में इट शुड बी प्योरली डिजिट.
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके, इस लोअर में क्या बोलेगा? इस लोअर में रिटर्न्स ट्रू
in lower case or not.
हाँ, if it is lower case. I'll take another 2-3 minutes, उसके बाद we'll stop here. Is lower is what? Hello, देखोगे hello world आया है. ओके, हाँ hello world है. Is it purely in lower case? देखो, is lower returns true if all characters are in lower case, otherwise false.
Sir, answers will be in true or false in this.
हाँ,
Oh, in is lower, it will come in true. The answers will be true, either true or false, sir.
yeah, it's written returns true.
Okay.
देखो, इसमें एक चीज और ध्यान दो कि even if there are some other characters which are not, which does not qualify as alphabet, it will simply ignore them. @ भी लिख दोगे बीच में ना, तो इट इज ऑल राइट. ठीक है. If non-alphabet characters are there, it will ignore those things and it will simply check whether the alphabets that are used in that string are, or the characters of the alphabet used in the string are in lowercase or not. However, देखो यहाँ space भी है तो true आएगा. However, if you make this W as capital, then this will fail and it will result you false. ठीक है. So यही चीज बोल रहा है. Numbers, symbols and spaces are not checked. Only alphabet characters are checked for upper or lower case. ठीक है. तो ये different cases है. ये this will result in false. This will result in true. This will result in क्या होगा?
False.
False, because of not this one exclamation mark but this H. Okay. तो ये हमारा था इज लोअर का. उसके बाद क्या हमने इज लोअर देखा. सिमिलरली यू हैव इज अपर. वो देख लेना. इट्स जस्ट द रिवर्स ऑफ दिस. इफ द कैरेक्टर्स आर not there, all the character alphabets used in the string are not there in the upper case, then it will result in false. Even if other characters or symbols are used which are not alphabets, they will be ignored while checking. ठीक है. चलो इसमें अभी 2-3 चीज बच रहे हैं. ये वाले पार्ट. ठीक है. पार्टीशन, स्प्लिट, यहां से ये 3-4 मेथड. वी विल कवर दिस टुमारो एंड वी विल आल्सो कवर दिस पार्ट. ठीक है. सो कल वी विल कवर these two things completely. Strings का built-in methods and ये mathematics का. ठीक है. ठीक है. I'll stop here.